Good morning, my friend.
Good morning, my friend.
Hello, my friend.
Hello, Cheetah Fox.
Turtle, so I'm going to cheat you.
Okay, Fox. Every time you are looking for target, let me tell you the reason and go.
Okay, sweetheart, tell me, is there anything you can I did with my friend?
It is about our zoo.
Dear dog, please tell me. Of course, I want to know. What is the news?
Gino must organize a party to all the animals to be present.
It lost its control. Turtle, there's nothing to make fun. Dear dog, please tell me, what is the news?
Gino must organize a party to all the animals to be present.
Okay, I'll be present for there. Turtle, are you going to that party? It's not your problem. Yeah, I will be present. But Turtle, you're too slow. How are you going to reach the party? And if you reach the party will be finished. I will try all my best step by step till I reach. Okay, let's see.
We will see each other in the party.
Hello, where'd you go? Turtle, I'm walking to the lion's party. Oh, but you are too slow. Can you tell me how you reach there? Don't be worried, I will try all my best step by step till I reach. Okay, bye-bye. I'm a little turtle with a shell. I have 4 legs, a head with a head. When I got too scared, I want to hide. I will pull my legs and head in. What are you doing? Nothing. I just wanted to look after you in order to see if you are okay. I don't want to see you in my view again. Okay.
Hello, Turtle. You are look tired. It seems you are home.
Yes, it's a week. I'm walking to the Lions Park.
Do you think that you can reach exercise in time?
I will try all my best step by step till I reach.
Bye-bye.
Who are you and where do you go? I'm a strong turtle. I'm walking to the Lions party. Oh, it seems that you only have a party started yesterday and it will be finished tomorrow. Okay. Then you should head. Try again. If at first you don't succeed, try